Goedemiddag, home. I'm in the Netherlands, Amsterdam-Meeting to be precise, and it's freezing. And one thing I'm really looking forward to is seeing the police cat. It dominates the canals with an iron fist, or claw you could say. But first on the agenda is getting to Handelsgade. Nearly to Handelsgade, we're just passing the pier head. The battery's quite low, so I'm just going to put it away. But we're about to get home. Settle down. Hello. Hello. Oh. Bit nervous, are we? Bit nervous. What are you doing? Shopping? So the staff here didn't really speak English. I was like, cat treats. He's like, sorry, my English. And I was like, meow, meow. And he's like, oh, yes, I know. What should we go for? I like the tubes, like yogurt thing, but I can't see them. Bingo! I am the Castel Dondé master at this point. €6, absolute bargain. That's, I think this place is called Jumbo. Jumbo, yeah. Now I've just got to find a place in the sun to charge up. Now I've just been to Jumbo and it's done me an absolute solid, but Albert Heijn is the most popular like supermarket. You can see them everywhere, but shout out Jumbo. Whenever you travel and you have to keep your wits about yourself, but in the Dam it's for a different reason. It's the bikes, they plague the streets. They're so fast, and the Dutch do not tolerate incompetence and faffing around. So you've got to keep obviously your wits about yourself. Right now we're in the East Handelsgade. This is one of my favourite parts. Right down there is my favourite bar. And also Vondel Park, I do like it there. Let's find this place. Ooh! Ah! That table's not in the sun, but it looks like it's private. Yeah, so we'll leave that and we'll move on. Ho 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 ho, Capitan! Look what I found. Whoa! And you've got a swing. But what a spot to eat breakfast. Beautiful scenery. Just a quick examination. Health and safety checks. Looks fine to me. I'll give it stability 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Could have been worse. And let's see what I've got. It's like a pasty, a pizzi, a sausage roll. I'm not sure what. It's got a bit of curry in. I'm not sure what it is. I couldn't read the writing. Now I have a massive problem, I know. Caffeine. I just don't function without it. I've got myself Freezer juice, energy and juice, met, taurine and caffeine, melon, fizz. Let's give it a review. It looks nice. It's all right. But just in case I had no caffeine, doubled up with a built energy drink. You know, that's no messing around with that. It's exactly what it says on the tin. I'll power up with them, have my beer, and head down to my favourite bar, see if it's open. It's still pretty early. Pecan nuts, I think. Like apple pie. I tell you what, shout out Jumbo. They had a tremendous selection of things like this. Alcohol, early serving. That's what we need in England. Now, here's how you know I'm slipping on the drinking scene. I haven't got a bottle opener, so I've got to use all my brain power without shaking too much to open this. Fuck. Got my key. Yes. Oh, in business. Bingo. Keys away. You never truly lose the ability to open a bottle when needed. Chin chin. Oh. Tastes like a Tennant Super. Jesus. You know it's going to hit the spot though when you're cold. Survival tip 101. I don't claim to be the best fast drinker, but I'm going to try and neck it quick. Mix that in with the energy drinks and a bit of calories. I should be flying. This is a spot. I feel so good. I'm about to finish this off. Find a bin because we're not in Birmingham. And then I'll take you to my favourite bar. Oh, it actually tastes better the further you get into it. As with all booze. Oh, getting down now. Being a lifeguard, I could probably just dive in from up here, but I'm not going to do that. Now, although I made that look easy, it was actually harder than what it looked. Are we going to have a go at the swing? In all honesty, it's so cold. I'm going to give it a miss just in case. Just in case something goes wrong. Now let's get our shit and go. What a start, what a start. And thank God I can feel the heat of the sun. Let's get this in the bin and let's move on. Do you reckon that bike works? Oh, back in the sun. What a nice place to play football. I'm sure the ball will often fly into the water and just be lost at sea. I'm going through it for you all, I am. Till the beer kicks in, none of that will be an issue. I've done a good job, haven't they, the Dutch? Got to give them that. I've just asked that lady, does she know of a bar outside garden area and beanbags? And she said yes, it's Kirk's. It's 2 islands that way. So off we go. Oh my God, look at this. They have a whole salt course, zip lines. Oh yes, gotta have a go with this. Jesus, stuck. Foot. But look at this, massive assault course. This could also be seen as an alcohol test. Whoa, whoa. Oh, like a cat. 90 meters. Oh, flying through it now. Oh, quite tired to be honest. Let's get to that bar. But that's amazing, that. Never seen anything like it. Fair play to the Dutch. They do parks better than anyone, I would say. That's how hard hit his gym, Birkenhead. A bit of water. Don't want to affect the sound too much. It's actually quite wasteful when you think of it, just for a little zip. Use about 4 litres. Not very green, not very efficient, a little bit disappointed with the Dutch, but still happy they've got one available. That water is sobering me up. The things I do for you in these videos. So this island is where, I'm sure she's wrong. I'm sure, my memory, it was over there because I remember seeing, can't see it from here, but the high rise behind there, I remember looking at it with a beer. What do we have here? Ooh. And a little pond. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, look at that. Traditional breed of cattle. Hereford. Just get a picture of that mosaic. What is this? Is this like a little butcher's or something? Netto. Perhaps that means market, because we had a market in the UK called Netto. I know the little pitch. This bar's elusive, man. It really is. Cancun, Mexican, Caribbean, but I am more interested in this sign on the corner, Stella Artois, especially because I miss Belgium as well. Well, I drove through it, not drove, I was on a bus. Where's this bar? I don't have to give up at some point. I don't know how well you can see, but there's a windmill. I'm confident that's a pub. I'm sure I've been. So if there is any Dutch viewers watching this, maybe you could help me out. Somewhere between this memorial and Handelsgade is a bar. It's got a beer garden with beanbags. The beanbags are black. The decoration is black. It's got a different vibe to Amsterdam. And I wanted to show people, but just can't find it. But back to business. That water has slowed me right down. I could do with a Le Chouffe, or I feel like another one of them beers. You could have probably flew to Amsterdam and got a haircut cheaper, just like I went to Paris. €5 for the beard, so it's like what, £4. Here can happen. €8, that's about £6. Why is Birkenhead the most expensive place in the world to get your hair cut? Now, I've been given directions to another jumbo. I don't know whether he was telling the truth, but we're going to find out. Eventually we'll hit something. Ooh. Hello. Guten Tag. Empty shelves, mate, when it comes to booze. No. Aha! Albert Heijn. Now we're going to compare whether Albert Heijn can compare with Jumbo. Let's give it a go. Bingo! Oh, you got the legendary Chimay. So many choices. The only one that I'm going to rule out straight away is the 0% Blondie, no chance. Oh, here we go, the Castile. Is this the same? No, it's not the same one though. Only 8. I want the same as before. Oh, here we go, bingo. And you got the Le Chouffe. What was it? We're in business. Shout out Albert Heijn. Let's go and get rung up. Yeah. I tell you what, somebody out here, the cashier was wearing a Rolex. Jesus. What on earth is that? Excuse me. Where's the best place to go to the toilet? Anywhere local? Like
I don't know. There is a hotel. You can go to the hotel.
Numa?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely bursting at the seams and I've got this drink, so getting stressed out. I don't want to compound the issue by drinking the drink now and then having to find the toilet. Falling into that spiral of drinking, pissing. Gotta stay sharp, gotta stay soberish. Oh, but let's go and check out Numa. Plan of action is just to go in and ask politely. Yeah, the reception was so polite. He's like, of course, level 1, take the stairs on the right. Jesus. Oh, didn't tell me about the stairs being steep. A quick look around before we bounce. Right, let's get down and get this drink down. Ugh. Maybe we are on the right track. I don't know how well you can see, but That building with the L upside down. Anyway, my friend used to live in that building and I recognised that, so maybe that woman who said 2 islands down is right. But we've got our beautiful sea view, a bench. I'm just going to try and look for a bit better sunlight. Quite a lot of shade, man, quite a lot of shade. Bench in the workmen maybe. Ah, there we go, a bench in the sun. But I tell you what, those are a bit better. Ah, you can't beat this. You cannot beat this. Let's get this open. Bingo! Shout out to Castile. Don't care. Best served at 12 degrees as well. Righty ho, people. On my last swig or two. I'm going to try and get some nice 360 footage to put into this video. Try and get some value for money on the £600 for 6 minutes of content that I've paid so far for this, so let's finish this and get going. By the way, if you're watching me and drinking, cheers. Fuck's sake, it stopped. It needed to just go past. 20 minutes walking just for that shot. Just said hello to that dog. Anyway, I'm just passing the Wales Afterstrapping. I'm going to have a little look inside. I would have said tram lines, but I think they're definitely stuck. Got ourselves a little fountain, people. I can't see any Adam's apple, but they look trans to me. So you have a pirate ship that John Laird would be proud of. And over behind me, you have the Nemo site. Am I cracking up, or has that been cut in half? 69% positive you used to be able to walk up it all, not just that like kind of bridge. As it turns out, we've passed the Windmill pub. Can you see it in the background? Around there ish. Anyway, we're heading back. I want to show you that because it's a special pub. It's got a special place in my heart too. And I know the windmill's in this direction, but I've just found this. Just wait, make sure that's not police. Oh, it's actually harder than it looks. Ah, this is nice. Weather's perfect. I'm a bit overdressed. But you know, when in the dam, you know, Joe Rogan always talks about certain things. He never seems to get restricted. When I do, I have to pull the video down. So you're going to have to watch and figure out what's going on. Have you seen these things? Let me show you. These things they sell in Amsterdam. Well, sometimes you just have to partake. Oh, let's see if we can get to the Windmill pub. I'll tell you what, there's quite a few boats here. To be honest, it looks a lot harder than what it did from back there. I don't think I'm in the best state to be navigating the iron track. Oh. The Windmill pub we've got there. I've never needed a pint so badly on a video. Today I've walked 9 miles, 3 hours and 41 minutes, and I've had 3 of them little beers that you've seen. It's called the Breweries. Let's go and get a pint before I pass out. That door was light. Bloody hell. But look at this place. Let's get over to the taps. I think this is reserved. 17:45. Just going to check the time because I don't want much energy. Yeah, I've got 1 hour. Honestly, I'm just going to listen to some music and recover. It's been a tough day filming. I'm not going to lie. I'm well overdressed. It was freezing this morning, and now it's 11 degrees, but it feels a lot warmer. And I've got my trusty Merson scarf. Shout out to Turkish boys. Right, yo, let's wrap this up and get to the cart day. Those behind me were a bit weird. Put me off. Ruined the vibe for me, to be honest, but this place is quite epic. Thank you. Tell you what, it's been a hard day's filming. Enjoyed it so far, but I'm going to switch to my 360 camera for that 360 shot that I paid so much for. Right, yeah, it's 10 minutes away. Now this looks like the road. Could be anywhere. There's a group of people up there. What the fuck are they doing? Nah, not them. I've literally watched all the Instagrams, so this is looking familiar. Fucking sharp I am, even in this state. You saw that in real time as well.
Yeah.
I saw it. Look what I've got for you. No, don't walk off. I can't believe it. I don't even know if the camera's filming. Oh, you're gorgeous. Oh. That was my actual genuine reaction. That gonna grab me stuff before I get robbed and the police cat's eating. Oh yes. Sorry. Pockets jammed. Buy myself some time. I found it. Pardon? Okay.
No.
No.
What are you doing?
I came over to see the cat. I saw it on social media, so.
Sorry?
I saw it on social media.
Yeah, he's famous.
Yeah, very. Gorgeous. You want some as well? I think I have some more.
Oh yeah, you know what to bring, huh?
Yeah.
They love this.
I lost my cat last year, and like this type of yogurt stuff was a favourite, so I thought I'd get them.
Well, okay. Well, I'll leave you.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but I'm always a little confused. You know, sometimes people, they are really going on my cat.
Oh, no, I fully respect, and I just wanted to come say hello.
Okay, if you make a video, tag us in it, yeah?
Of course. Loving it. Chicken flavour yogurts. Oh. Seems weird seeing them in real life. No kisses. No kisses. Oh. Okay, let me... Okay, I'll clear up the mess now. Oh, she wants a bit more. She knows there's some more.
Are they yours?
No. There's like...
Found them?
No, they're really famous on social media. I came over from England to see them.
A police cat?
Yeah.
Really?
You should see the videos. Amsterdam police cat it is.
Oh. Where can I see the videos?
Instagram.
And it's really a police cat?
Cats do a lot nowadays. I've seen them on the front line of Ukraine, so... No, the videos are really good. Oh. What a experience. I just had a word with the owner. She gave me a keychain and a sticker, and I had a little discussion about my cat that I had down. Well, it was really my mum's cat. I told her my mum loves the cat as well. She thinks it's gorgeous, and she said say hello to your mum. So hi mum. That was surreal. I'd better sort the cat then. I've seen everything on Instagram, and when I was walking down that road I thought to myself it's probably not the road because a lot look similar, but I started filming and I spotted that cat in the window and I was like, oh. I thought to myself, turn the camera around and film going forward, and as I was doing that the cat ran out and I was like, shit, I didn't want it to go. So I had to drop my bag, get the treats out, leave my bag, run, set my camera up, try and get my phone out. I didn't get enough on my phone, to be honest with you. But yeah, well made up, absolutely made up that I saw them. I found it. Looks like it's closed down though. This was that beer garden where they had beanbags. Oh well, another one bites the dust. That's me done filming. I'm off. See you later. So yeah, that was the bar right outside where I was staying. I only recognised it when I was coming up the road the same way I found it. But it's been closed down for like 5 years.